As evening falls on the Masai Mara plains, the leopard emerges from the grasslands and makes his move towards the Mara riverbank. He is on his way to a dinner invitation. The hippos reluctantly leave the rivers as the other dinner guest slowly swims in. The Nile crocodiles. They can hear the vibrations from the stampede of the wildebeest and zebra herd from far and are taking positions at the possible crossing point. The little bee-eater has taken up a strategic position to watch the spectacle, and soon a herd of rampaging wildebeest and zebras charge in from the ravines and jump into the Mara River. The Nile crocodiles soon move in, and the drama unfolds. Having missed the first lot of wildebeests, the crocs turn their attention to a zebra calf. And amazingly, the calf manages to escape from the jaws of death, leaving the crocs disappointed and without dinner. Oh, the leopard hiding on the other bank, however, does not miss to bring down a zebra for his dinner. It is not for nothing that the leopards have the reputation of stealthiest hunter among all predators. As the sun sets on the Mara, I reluctantly leave, while the leopard enjoys his well-earned meal.